Hello everyone, in this episode we continue speaking about Angular service workers and we'll speak about update functionality. It's quite convenient when you update your application and you already have service worker running to make sure that when you have new version of application that your user of your application will be able to update. So for this we have SwUpdate. I really love Copilot, but sometimes it gives you some crazy autocomplete out of nowhere. So it should be SwUpdate from service worker package. And what we can do is SwUpdate. There are two strategies, like what I call first one, when you can say check for update. Check for update and you will get promise and you can work with it. But as for me, more interesting one is reactive approach. Reactive approach when you can subscribe to the updates, and when there is an update, you will be notified. Also, please pay attention that for new version of Angular, for old version, option available was used, and after they switch it to a new one that is called version updates. And second, quite important change that I was a bit confused when I switched to this option, that they provide you all the events, not only updates, but that update failed, that the new version got successfully, or just version got successfully. There's a set of events, and you are mostly interested in only application update. Well, for this particular case. That's why it's good to filter. We use reactive approach, we can do pipe, and in pipe we can do filter. No, not spelling. Filter from React.js, please. Filter. Yes, React.js, that's better. Filter, and we will get our event here, event, yes, and we can say that event is specific type, it's version ready event, and let's double check the Copilot, looks good. Version ready, we also need to add version ready from service worker. What does mean that you will filter only version ready events. So we are basically done. Only maybe I will remove this ugly confirm and we'll add something more fancy, maybe from Angular Material. Let's install Angular Material and do the snack bar when application is updated that we can show. So we will add our snack bar service. Snack bar, material snack bar, yes, good. And it doesn't know where to find. That's strange because we installed already. Okay. Yes, please. Material snack bar, and here we create our snack. New version available, that's good. And now we need to react on action. Yes, almost there. So we want to reload the page, but before reloading the page, that's good to do such also operation. When you say SwUpdate, and you activate it, and only after you do reload the page to make sure that reloading the page didn't prevent updating the service worker. So let's check what we have. We need to rebuild our application. Don't forget, in ProBuild development setting, that's convenient to set up some command that will watch for changes and recompile your application. immediately. That's what I suggest, not to forget. So let's see how application works. And yes, we got our message, that's new version of service worker, and we activate it in and reload the page. So that was SwUpdate.